Welcome back once again to Hotomotive. Today I'm going to install an Android head unit in my 2009 Honda Civic. First you have to do is, there is two 8mm bolts below the head unit you have to remove. In my case I have removed it before for a video and I forgot to put it back, so that's easy for me. You have to remove this kick panel and this trim and also this trim around the speedometer in order to get access to the head unit there. I am removing the old portable Carplay screen. Pull the head unit out and remove the wiring harness behind the head unit. This is how it looks after removing the radio. Swap this retainer plastic clips to the new frame and the AC controls and hazard indicator. And don't forget to swap your air vent too. This is how it looks after plugging all the cables. Connect all the wiring harness back. Just put the trims back. And this is the head unit after it booted up. It comes with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If you like this video, please subscribe.